Welcome back. Now in this video we are going to go ahead and get our affiliate link, and then we are going to cloak it. And I'll tell you what that means here in a minute. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go back to ClickBank, and we are going to click the promote button, and we're going to pick up the link from ClickBank that we're going to use in order to promote our offer. Now coming back to ClickBank, what we're going to do, we are going to click the promote button. And you'll notice here that ClickBank is now going to ask you for an account nickname. Now, if you already have a ClickBank account, you're going to use your account nickname. If you don't have one, there is a bonus video that will show you and walk you through the steps in creating your account nickname and your account in ClickBank so that you can promote products. Now, let's go ahead and write that account nickname in here. I'm going to write in test account. And then what we're going to do is we're going to click the create button. And we're going to see a link here. Now, once we get that affiliate link, as you can see, we are going to have a link that is pretty long and unsightly. And in order not to frighten off the buyer before they've seen that offer, we're going to want to cloak that link or hide it or make it look more presentable. Now that means you will want to use a service like bit.ly or x.co. Now for our example, we are going to be using the site bit.ly. And we're going to use it in order to hide that long affiliate link and turn it into something that makes more sense. Now once we have that cloak link, we can then use it when we start presenting and promoting our offer. So let's go through the process of cloaking the link. Now we are now at the site called bit.ly.com, and what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and sign up for an account. So go right here to the sign up button, and then you're going to go through the process of signing up for an account. Now once we've signed up for our bit.ly account, what we are going to do then is we are now going to take that long link and we're going to put it inside of the link shortener here in bit.ly. So now let's go ahead and grab that link, and we're going to go right inside of here, click the copy button, and then we're going to come to our site in bit.ly. We're going to paste the link in there, and then we are then going to have a shortened link. Now, what we want to do is we want to go one step further, and we want to customize this link. So one of the ways that we're going to do that here is we are going to use this link shortener, and we're going to go and we're going to do this. We're going to type in dog training 2015, and we're going to click save. So now look at our link there. It says bit.ly/dog training 2015, and we have a very presentable link. Now in some cases you're going to type in the customize area and it's already going to be taken. And generally if you put your niche in there and then you put a date in there, or you put the month and the date in there, you're going to have a bit.ly link that you can actually use. So now that we have a bit.ly link, we have our link hidden and cloaked, we are now ready to start promoting our link. So with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.